If you want to create a WhatsApp group but you are not sure how to do it properly, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to create a WhatsApp group using your mobile phone. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also show you an important setting that most people ignore. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you open it, make sure you are in the chat section where all your conversations are visible. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a green chat icon. Just tap on it. After tapping, a few options will appear on your screen. From here, select the new group option. Now you will see your contact list. From here, choose the people you want to add to your group, or you can select multiple contacts easily. After selecting the members, tap on the arrow button to move forward. On the next screen, you need to set up your group. Enter a group name that you like. You can also add a group profile photo if you want to make it look more attractive. Now here you will also find an option called group permissions. Tap on it and you will be able to control what your group members can do. For example, you can decide whether all members can send messages or only admins can send messages. You can also control who can edit the group info like group name, photo and description. If you are creating a normal group, you can leave it everything as default. But if you want to use the group only for announcement or important updates, you can change these settings accordingly. After setting everything, simply go back. Now you can also see another option called disappearing messages. If you turn this on, your messages will automatically disappear after a certain time. If you don't need it, you can keep it off. Finally, tap on the checkmark button and that's it. Your WhatsApp group is successfully created. Now you can start chatting with your friends, share photos, videos, documents, and even make group calls. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.